Right, I've got a Touareg and I've just replaced the sunroof on it because it's broken, right? And the problem I have is, you can see it's closing, my other hand's here, and it's bouncing. See it bouncing back? Like it's got anti-trap. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the old Phoenix, because I like getting this tool out wherever I can. So I'm going to do it. It's a 2014 Touareg, guys. All the seals had perished. It had gone pretty west and it was leaking like a sieve. I've still got the drains to replace, because as you can see, look, they're baggier than a nun's chuff up there. So I've got new ones of them because the pipes expand and they don't seal, and that's exactly what's happening here. So let's get this sunroof basic set. So I know it's all cushy. So there's no SFD on this vehicle, guys. I ain't got to worry about that one. So we'll do a high-speed scan. I'm probably going to have Volks all over the show because I've got so much unplugged to get to this stage. I've got the headlining down, as you can see, look, everything is down. I'm basically just a glass panel with lots of airbag stuff, and I've only got that switch plugged in just so I can actually do it, so I can make it work. So let's have a look. Obviously, high-speed scan is a high-speed scan. That makes total sense. It just depends on the age of your vehicle of how high speed it's going to be, right? That's nothing down to the toll. That is purely down to the BAUD rate of transfer of data, speed of transfer of data. Let's have a look in for that. It's not finished yet. It's not finished. Chill out, Rob. It's not finished. Oh, it's down there. Look, it's 5S. That's 5F. If you didn't know, now you do. It's cool, isn't it? All this, you get to see topology. I like topology. It's nice to see it on the screen as well, and it gives you the networks are on. Look at that, look. Again, if you didn't know, now you do. So let's have a look at 46. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. Let's nip in here. It'll give us all the chassis number and all that good stuff. So we want basic set. We're going to have a look at the sliding roof basic set. Okay. Let it do its thing. Basic set, basic bar. Boom. This is the tool doing its thing. It's learning both its end stops. There you go, look, it's still on there. Just going to slide it on. You're going to have to hear some pretty terrible singing because none of us in this trade can sing. But we can fix stuff, right? And that's what we're here for. Let it do its thing. Done. Continue with basic setting 2. All right, let's do that then. Let's do basic setting 2. Rejected, obviously. So it's only got the one. Right, that's obviously there for some bizarre reason. So now let's give it another try with the button. Look, see me undoing it. I'm not going to send it all the way back. I don't need to, right? You guys have seen it go all the way back. I just want to know it closes. Aha! And this is why we do it. This is why we do it. Absolute fiddle. And that's why we do basic set, guys. Because I ain't touched anything to do with the basic set. But what I have had it as a part, and I've lined the glass up correctly. I've done everything that's needed to do, but a quick basic set. You know when you take a battery off, and then you one touch for your windows stops, and you've got to do a basic set where you hold it in the closed position, and then let it click again. That's essentially that. But I've done it with the top down tool. I know it's done. I get to use the tool, which I love getting out, like I said earlier. Any point I can, I'm gonna. That's sorted now. I can build that back up. I'm going to double check the alignment of the glass, make sure it's absolutely tickety-boo for the customer. But short of that, guys, top man for the win. I'm going to tag him in this, so we see if we can get Jack to respond. He will, he's good like that. Or Freya. Or any other team Top Don UK. Anyway, I'll tag him below. Oh, by the way, just for 2026, guys, I've got a code. The VW Mechanic 26. Get yourself some discount on Top Don UK. Shh, don't tell everyone. In fact, no, tell everyone. Get yourself some discount. The VW Mechanic 26 is your 10% discount code for one of these shiny magical tools here. Physical tools, guys. We're not talking any kind of memberships or, you know, they are physical tools. That's where you get the discount. I'm going to crack on with putting this back together. See you in a bit.